I don't feel drunk at all, but I'm serious. 3 drinks in the Aruba airport and I'm intoxicated. That's why I'm arrested.
You're playing wasted again.
Seriously, guys.
As you arrest someone.
I'm arrested because 3 drinks
Irony
in
of playing
the
wasted
airport,
again in
they
Margaritaville
said,
while you get arrested.
You're drunk.
Fucking ridiculous.
Put you in the
Ridiculous.
country.
This
And
is
that's why-
ridiculous.
This is why I'm arrested.
I'm gone.
Putting the cuffs.
This is
I had 3
outrageous.
drinks.
Outrageous.
3 drinks.
Unbelievable.
Unbelievable.
Wasting away again.
Unbelievable.
Police in Aruba.
3 drinks.
Having 1 drink.
Put it on the
Will
phone.
go
Put it on
send
the
you to
phone.
jail.
Put it on the Instagram.
Unreal, dude. Well, we were at the gate to go to Delta.
Delta, okay.
Delta flight home to Atlanta.
Atlanta.
We each had, we got a drink at the terminal where you can get drinks at the restaurant.
Okay.
And then as we approached the gate, there was a Delta employee, not a police, no police, just a Delta employee decided to say, you're not suitable to fly.
Yeah.
And this is what happens. That's why she's emotional, not drunk. I asked to take a breathalyzer. No breathalyzers in Aruba. That doesn't exist. You can't take an alcoholic breathalyzer to prove. I guess just behavior is enough. So if you're not behaving properly, they send you to jail.
What's gonna happen now? You're missing your flight home?
I don't know. Yeah, I'd absolutely miss my flight.
Yeah.
Absolutely. And I might not have a job on Monday. So great. It was a fantastic job by the police.
Thank you.
No. Thank you for doing this. I'm glad you recorded this. It's a joke. What a joke. You know where this station is?
What?
You know where this police station is?
There's one in downtown.